All right, hi guys. We're going to work on our noun task cards today. So I'm going to switch really quickly to the Elmo camera here. And so in your plastic envelope container thing here, you should have all of our task cards stapled together. So it's stapled here. So the first one is identifying nouns. You can leave it stapled if you want to, or you can tear this one off if you want to, because the other ones are on there, so this packet will stay together. All right, so once you have this, then we'll get started on the task cards. So if you need to pause this video, please go ahead and pause it so you have time to get what you need. I'm going to scooch myself over here. And we're going to go to the first set of task cards. So you're also going to get a file that just has this slideshow of task cards so that you can go back and take your time. But I'm just going to go over them with you right now. And then if you should need, more time, if you want to do it with me in the video, if you should need more time, just hit pause. Or you can go into the file that will be called Noun Task Cards and just do these slowly by yourself. So you're going to use your identifying nouns paper, and you're going to look at number 1, and we're going to go to card number 1. Identify all of the nouns in the sentence. I brought my backpack to school. So let's do this one together. Backpack is a thing, so let's write down backpack on number 1. And school is a place, so let's write down school as another noun. I know I is a person, but that's going to fall under a pronoun category, so let's just do backpack and school for number 1. Number 2, Dad carefully parked the car. Person, place, or thing. Name every person, place, or thing in that sentence. Dad carefully parked the car. Number 3, Paul gave the apple to his teacher. Paul gave the apple to his teacher. Person, place, or thing. So there might be more than one, might be more than 2. So don't write too big in the spaces. Number 4, identify all of the nouns in the sentence. She bought a new shirt at the store. So she falls under the pronoun. But what other nouns do you see there? Person, place, or thing. Okay. Number 5, Pam kicked the ball into the net. Pam kicked the ball into the net. Name all of the person, places, or things in that sentence. Number 6, we splashed in the big puddles. We splashed in the big puddles. Name all of the person, places, or things in your task card page. You're going to write that. Number 7, he sat in his chair and read the newspaper. He sat in his chair and read the newspaper. Okay. Number 8, Daniel read 100 pages in his book. Daniel read 100 pages in his book. Okay. Pause if you need to. Number 9, the cat chased the mouse into the kitchen. The cat chased the mouse into the kitchen. Person, place, or thing. Name all of the persons, places, or things. We were surprised when the phone rang. We were surprised when the phone rang. Name all of the persons, places, or things. All right, number 11. The garden is full of colorful roses. The garden is full of colorful roses. Person, places, or persons, or places, or things. Number 12, the children played in the pool. The children played in the pool. Write down all of the persons, places, or things. Okay. If you need more time, go ahead and pause or go back. Also remember, it's going to be in a file that you can go to and just take your time on your own to do it too. Can we ride bikes with Hannah and Bailey? Can we ride bikes with Hannah and Bailey? Write down all of the nouns. Number 14, clean your room. Clean your room. Write all of the nouns in that sentence. Number 15, Manny helped his mom bake cookies. Manny helped his mom bake cookies. My nose is stuffy, so it sounds funny when I say Manny. Manny helped his mom bake cookies. Number 16, she wrote the story in her notebook. She wrote the story in her notebook. Identify all of the nouns in that sentence. Push pause if you need to. Number 17, the puppy barked at the boys. The puppy barked at the boys. Name all of the persons, places, or things. Number 18, the leaves fell off of the old tree. The leaves fell off of the old tree. Number 19, I was excited when the airplane finally landed. I was excited when the airplane finally landed. Name all of the nouns in that sentence, persons, places, and things. Number 20, the sun set behind the mountains. The sun set behind the mountains. Name all of the nouns. Okay, pause if you need to. I'm going to go to the last slide. These are the last 4 cards. Number 21 says, Dad helped to wash the dishes. Dad helped to wash the dishes. All of the nouns. Number 22, Connor put the paper in the trash. Connor put the paper in the trash. Persons, places, and things. Number 23, the choir sang beautifully. The choir sang beautifully. Now, some of these have 1 answer, some have 2, some have 3. So don't be surprised if you have some that are just 1, and don't be surprised if you have some that are 3 or 4, if there are some that have 4. Number 24, Trina put her scissors away in her desk. Trina put her scissors away in her desk. All right, so make sure that you get all of these written down on your page. And then tomorrow we're going to correct it together, and you'll have to fix any mistakes that you have. And then there'll probably be a question. I might put a question as an assignment tomorrow. So make sure that you have all of this filled out so that you can do that quickly. All right, again, this whole slideshow of these task cards is going to be in our reading in the folder that says grammar. So when you open up the grammar folder, it'll say noun task cards. And there'll also be one that says noun task card video. So you can do both, or you can just do one or the other. All right, guys. All right, I'll see you in our next video for our next folder.